So I was on Frankie's website and I quickly found these 12 free space stickers and I thought they were adorable. And so on his site, he has all of these resources and Google Slides with the stickers on them. However, I thought, why don't I add these into Cami? And so you can see here I have this template and I just added the stickers on top of the template. And so how I added those stickers was I went to add media, went to the folder, my computer, and then I added each of the files individually. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to be able to reuse these later down the road to customize the feedback for my students. So for example, this one right here, once you have it on your Cami, I'm going to click this little box. And what this box does is it adds it into my annotation bank. So again, I just click on the image, make it like purple, and then the box. And I already added all of these other ones to that annotation bank, so that box is gone. Once you add it, the box goes away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click this toggle sidebar. And when I toggle the sidebar, you can see here I made a folder. And to make a folder, you go right here and I just type space stickers. And now I'm gonna add these onto that folder. So there are all of the space stickers that Frankie created, and now I can use them with my students. And so I'm going to walk through how you can add these stickers to your own Cami as well. So you're going to grab the share link, and when you have the link, it's going to look something like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image, and you'll notice I don't have that share box. So what you have to do is you have to click download PDF with all the annotations. Okay, we don't want to flatten the annotations. So again, PDF with all the annotations, and we only have one page. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin that expert. Once we do that, we're going to go to Cami.app. And then again, we're just waiting for it to process that download. And now that it's downloaded, I'm at Cami and I'm going to go ahead and upload that file that I just saved. So now that I've saved it, again, we're just waiting for it to go through and add all of those annotations onto this document. Okay, so now I can see all those annotations. So again, the first step was to download it with the annotations. Now when I click, I'm going to click Save to my annotation bank, confirm, and I'm just going to keep clicking that button until I've added all of these cute little stickers onto this resource. So again, I'm just hovering over, clicking that little box, and these are saving onto my annotation bank. And if you want to add your own stickers, you'll just go to that add media and you'll add your stickers onto your Cami. There's different ways that you can create stickers. One of my favorite ways is to use Canva and then make that transparent background. So that way you're able to kind of put this over some of the words that you might need to. Okay, so now that all of my stickers have been added to that box, I go over here to toggle sidebar, click on the box, and I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call these space stickers. I'm going to go ahead and drag it down. And now what I need to do is I need to drag these up and put them all into this little folder that's space stickers. Again, this will just help you stay organized because once you find out about this annotation bank, you're going to begin to use it for almost every single thing. So again, I'm just dragging them all into that folder. So that way I'm ready to use these resources when I'm working with my students. And again, I'm just going to kind of move them up here. It does take a little bit of work to get your annotation bank started, but again, once it's set up, you're ready to go. And you can see how I have videos in here, images, I've got anchor charts, all of these different resources in my annotation bank. And so now how do I give them to my students? So now that I've saved all of those annotations, I'm going to go over to my Google Classroom. You can use this with any learning management system. Classwork, and let's go ahead and assign this exit ticket to my students. So again, how do you feel about today's lesson? I'm going to hit create a Kami assignment. You must have the extension in order to see that Kami assignment appear. I'm going to go ahead and search my Google Drive. And now that I've added it in there, let's go to my most recent. There it is. Select. And I'm going to just type, how do you feel about today's lesson? I'm going to make a copy for every single one of my student. I can turn on control features if I wanted to. But I'm going to go ahead and just assign this activity. Now that I've assigned it, I'm going to go ahead to one of my student classrooms. And they're going to, again, open it up and begin to work on this assignment. They're going to open it with Kami. And again, my students are going to pick how they're feeling with today's activity. They can color or circle. They're going to type one thing that went well. They are going to record an audio clip because it's very difficult to explain a question that they have. So they're able to express it via audio file. And now I've got all of these pieces on this exit ticket. Now on my teacher's screen, let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to go to student work and click class view. Student work, class view. Once I'm on class view, I can now go in and give feedback using those stickers. So again, you could create your own stickers, or you go to Frankie's website or add these to your annotation bank. Again, they're right here, these out of space ideas when it comes to stickers. So here we go. We've got students all across my board and I need to give feedback quickly. I'm going to click toggle sidebar because I already did this step. Annotation bank, scroll down, there's my space stickers. Bam, bam, bam. Every single student just got a different sticker because I was able to have my annotation bank open, or I could repeat stickers if I needed to. And again, because of that annotation bank and I pre-uploaded those, it made giving feedback a lot faster in the long run. And then my students could do the same activity again tomorrow. And again, I can give them different stickers depending on how they did. And they're able to get that feedback immediately to know how they did on their assignment. So give it a try.